welcome for a video. My beautiful people, today's Ami in the kitchen with Mommy.
Oh, it's fantastic. What are we making today?
Smoothie.
We are making smoothie. Smoothie. What are we gonna make a smoothie? Smoothie. And you like smoothie?
Yeah.
So guys, I'm in the kitchen today with Amiojie. You're gonna be making what are you going to start with?
Banana.
Banana. Now let's put the banana.
Yeah. Frozen watermelon is my favorite.
Oh.
And let's put in prime for the strawberries. Ice. And I love ice. Let's put it in. I think it's the raspberries. And let's put it in. Oh, Mommy, can I put the red ones in now?
Yes.
Cranberries. Cranberry and blueberry.
Oh, fantastic.
And I just ate one of blueberry.
Alright, now.
Let's put it in. We got the milk here. We're gonna put it in the smoothie. Okay, let's go. What's that?
Yes.
Now it's this, and it's purple.
Are you adding?
Purple milk.
That's water.
Water. We have real water now.
Now real water.
And it's gonna help me close this movie. Happy.
Now you press red and you press high. Now press the red. Wait, press red. Now press
high. I picked movie. Let's put it in the jar. Is it called a jar?
Yeah. You're gonna do it gently. Alright, that's enough. Ami?
That's enough.
Oh, that's so pink. Oh my goodness.
That's it. This is the pink.
Don't forget to subscribe, share and like.
To follow our video. Welcome for a video.
It's pink color.
Yeah, this is a pinky, pinky, pink.
Come on,
Mommy, tastes very nice.
Oh. Guys, this is so
Cold.
yummy. So cold.
And cold. Can I drink from here?
Thanks guys for watching. We're seeing more of Ami in the kitchen making smoothie. Smoothie.